Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes.
Today I am working on a project I call Autumn SymmeTREE. I begin by grabbing a paper of my choice for a tree trunk, from dark brown, medium brown, and tan. I set up my paper landscape, then fold it in half like this. Then I grab a pair of scissors and I will get ready to cut out a symmetrical shaped tree trunk. I do so by measuring out about 2 or 3 fingers from the crease. Then I cut in a curved line from that point all the way to the other end of the paper. I recycle my extra paper, and then I get ready to make tree branches on my symmetrical tree trunk. At the top, I cut out a kind of curved triangle so that the shape looks a little bit like the letter Y. I decided to repeat that process by cutting out another smaller curved triangle so that my SymmeTREE has many branches. Symmetry is when the shape is exactly the same on both sides of a line of symmetry. My tree is symmetrical because both the left and the right side are exactly the same. It's a symmetry. I no longer need my scissors nor my scraps, so I will put those away, and I will get a sheet of paper and a glue stick for the next step of my activity. I will add glue to the back of my SymmeTREE so that I can glue it into the center of a new white piece of paper. Because I no longer need my glue stick, I will put the cap back on it and return it where I found it. I've gathered some colored pencils so that I can start to decorate the background or the space around and behind my SymmeTREE. I'm going to start with fall colors, the same colors that we call warm colors in art class: yellow, orange, and red. And I'm going to add some bright, colorful leaves all around my SymmeTREE. Sometimes I use scribble shading or coloring in circles like this to add details and blend colors together. Doing this, I will be able to make a bright, fiery red, orange, and yellow autumn SymmeTREE. Practicing SymmeTREE reminded me of a principle of art called balance, or the distribution of visual weight of objects, colors, texture, and space. So I am going to balance my background with one side being the daytime and the other side being the nighttime. This connects to the autumn equinox, when the day and night are roughly equal in length. After adding so much detail to the background, I decided to add more to my tree trunk and branches. I am adding wiggly lines that are about as symmetrical as I can make them on one side, then the other side of the trunk and branches, sort of like this. When I feel happy with my design and all the details are finished, I sign my name in the bottom corner and give my hands a little massage. All that coloring was a lot of work. I return my materials better than I found them and share my artwork with the people I love. I hope you try this art challenge in your own style by creating an autumn symmetry of your very own. Happy making, artists! Enjoy!